Hi everyone, and welcome to Natural Living Guide. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many of us encounter as we age aging spots. You know, those flat brown, gray, or black spots that tend to pop up on sun-exposed areas like our faces, hands, and chest. These spots, also known as liver spots or solar lentigines, can be a bit of a cosmetic concern. But more importantly, they serve as visible reminders of the cumulative effects of sun exposure on our skin's health. We'll be discussing what causes them, how to address their appearance, and most importantly, how to prevent them from popping up in the first place. Let's start by understanding what aging spots actually are. They're flat, pigmented spots that range in color from light brown to black. You'll typically notice them on areas that see a lot of sun exposure over the years. Think face, hands, shoulders, arms, and chest. Now, while they're called aging spots, they can actually show up even if you're not technically in the aging category just yet. It all boils down to cumulative sun exposure. These spots are essentially areas where the skin has produced more melanin, the pigment that gives our skin its color, in response to UV damage. So, even if you're in your 20s or 30s, if you've spent a lot of time basking in the sun without protection, you might start noticing these spots earlier than expected. Let's delve into the root causes of these spots. The primary culprit is prolonged and unprotected sun exposure. The sun's harmful ultraviolet rays make our skin produce more melanin to shield itself. Over time, this excess melanin clumps together, forming aging spots. Genetics also play a role, making some more prone to these spots. Lifestyle factors like smoking and poor diet can contribute to aging spots. Now here's a lesser-known fact that might surprise you. Vitamin D deficiency can actually exacerbate the appearance of aging spots. You might be thinking, wait, doesn't the sun give us vitamin D? And you'd be right, but there's a catch. While it's true that our bodies produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, many of us aren't getting enough sun exposure for adequate vitamin D synthesis, especially while practicing sun protection. And here's why this matters for our skin. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in skin cell growth, repair, and overall health. When we're deficient in this vital nutrient, our skin becomes more susceptible to damage from the sun and other environmental stressors, making those aging spots more likely to appear and become more prominent. How do we address those spots and prevent new ones? First line of defense is sun protection. Use SPF 30 or higher, broad spectrum, and reapply every 2 hours. Don't forget protective clothing. Wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and long sleeves are essential. Incorporate antioxidants into your routine. Look for vitamin C, vitamin E, and green tea extract. These help neutralize free radicals and prevent aging. Consider retinoids, AHAs, and kojic acid. They exfoliate, promote cell turnover, and fade spots. Now, achieving and maintaining healthy, radiant skin goes beyond just topical products. It's about adopting a holistic approach that nourishes your skin from the inside out. First and foremost, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin plump and supple. Next, focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. These foods are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support skin health. And let's not forget about the importance of regular skin checkups with a dermatologist. They can help identify any potential issues early on and recommend personalized skincare strategies. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. By adopting these healthy habits and being proactive about sun protection, you can minimize the appearance of aging spots and maintain youthful-looking skin for years to come. So, there you have it, the ins and outs of aging spots. Remember, while they might be a natural part of aging for some, they're not inevitable. By understanding their causes and adopting preventive measures like diligent sun protection and a healthy lifestyle, you can keep your skin looking its best. If you have any concerns about your skin, don't hesitate to reach out to a dermatologist for personalized advice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural living tips. And as always, thanks for watching. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Please consult with a healthcare professional for personalized recommendations.